so it's showing a full adder. This is toggling value and different. It's showing port A, port B. It show the value. Okay, so here is also coverage or coverage. So it's showing many option. Here is the option covered, uncovered, exclude, any, and here is the manner matrix scope. Okay, according to here you click on this is table view. This is a show detail. This is table view, so it's showing table form, this one. Okay, so there are many options. So this is the VSys tutorial. So in VSys tutorial we discuss this actually VSys is only for simulation, so we discuss the simulation of Verilog code with test bench. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. If any query related to this, just comment on my video, I will reply it. And until you subscribe my channel, then just subscribe my channel. And okay, so thank you.